Hello and what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel. Welcome back to Miguel EDC, where we talk everything EDC, everyday carry. And today we're gonna continue our streak going on here with the Boker knives. We have looked already at the Boker Kalashnikov. This is the Black Widow skin, and we have also looked at the another version or another skin to the Kalashnikov. This is the Desert Warrior. Now, if you want to see the video right on those two unboxings, make sure to check out the card right up there on the top right. But this one is special. This one is actually another Boker knife, and it's also automatic. This one is the, let me see here, the Boker, what is it? Strike, Boker Strike Warhawk. So it does have a special skin, just like these other guys. It is in OD green. These knives are made in Taiwan. And by the way, I got this one right off of Blade HQ. So let's go ahead and cut into it here. Right, this Black Widow is gonna do the honors, and let's see what we're dealing with. Boom, look at that. All right, I like the presentation on this one, by the way. Boker makes some good cases. Look at this. This one has a magnet right here, so it like closes right there with the magnet. That's pretty neat. Attention to detail. But here it is, guys. This is the Boker Strike. Boker Strike. And it is in the Warhawk skin. So it has OD green right here. It is an automatic knife, just like these guys. And by the way, when I say automatic, the idea here is that you push a button and boom, it swings right open, right? As compared to a button lock. A button lock, if you press the button and then don't do anything, nothing's gonna happen. With the button lock, you have to press the button and swing the knife, right? That's with the button lock. That's why I had the CJRB up here for reference, okay? With an automatic knife, and again, this is for the newbies. I was a newbie not that long ago. You press the button and boom, right? The action is immediate or right away. They are known as automatic because, again, the action, for lack of a better word, is, yeah, pretty automatic, right? And these are automatics out the side as compared to OTFs or out the front. I'll be getting some of those in the channel at some point to give you guys an idea what out the fronts look like. I'm sure you guys have seen some of those all over YouTube. But again, the Warhawk version of the Boker Strike. Look at this thing. This thing looks insane. When I first saw this skin over at Blade HQ, I just had to go ahead and pull the trigger. I like how it has this pattern right here with the shark looking face and teeth, kind of looking like one of those planes from World War II, right? Just had to pull the trigger on it, on it. And same deal here, right? You could close it with two hands, right? Or you could close it with one hand, although you want to be very careful, right? You just want to be very careful because there's a lot of tension going on there with that spring that allows for it to swing open like that. So that's a little bit of extra work there if you want to do it one-handed. Again, two hands, it is nice and easy, no problem, right? This one does have a locking mechanism, right? Unlike the Kalashnikov. So if it is if it's showing that red dot, that means that it is unlocked. If you slide it forward, that means that it is locked. So it doesn't matter how much you press that yellow button there, nothing's gonna happen, right? If you unlock it, slide it down, right, then you can get it unlocked. So, I mean, this thing is just so good to look at. And ergonomics wise, right, you have a good indentation here for your index finger. All the other fingers follow suit right there. And so I have about average hands. There's a little bit of the handle still left. So you are able to get a good grip on it right there. It does have a somewhat deep pocket carry clip. I wish it was a little bit deeper. So you'll have from this point on up showing out of your pocket, but again, not too bad. It is reversible, so you could carry it here, tip down if you wanted to. I'm not sure why. I'm all about tip up carry, just like that. I like the eyes, by the way. I like how the eyes show right here when it's folded, right? It looks like all mean and sinister looking, very aggressive, like, hey, about to swing out at any time and just cut whatever it is we need to tackle. So this one comes in at around $64.95. This one is currently in stock, so make sure to check the affiliate links down below in the description. Again, a 3¼ inch D2 blade, all right, and of course it has that shark design, shark face design. It's called the Boker Strike with a Warhawk pattern on it. $64.95 over at Blade HQ. Make sure to check out the links down below. They do help out the channel at no extra cost to you. So again, that is totally up to you. But again, check out this guy. I'm telling you, right, this thing is something else. It does have a bright red pocket clip, just like the Kalashnikov, right? So if you have it in your pocket, that red clip is definitely going to make itself known. So be aware of that. If that is not a problem for you, then you're going to be okay, right? Go ahead and fold these out the way here, but just wanted to give you some comparisons. Again, you have the locking right here. I feel like that's a pretty good feature, right? Especially if you want to make sure that it doesn't come open in your pocket for whatever reason, or the button were to get deployed or pushed or something. Just gives you a little bit of extra peace of mind, right? Once it's engaged, right, you can press the button all you want and nothing's gonna happen. Disengage. Boom. This OD green handle here feels pretty good. It is aluminum. All right, so that gives some good weight to the knife as a whole. Has some chimping going on here. It kind of makes it a little bit uncomfortable that it's way back here on the Kalashnikov. It's a little bit on the blade as well. So you can actually get some more grip, a little bit more forward. Here's like really recessed back, so maybe that's the only downside. Again, more coming on the review, of course. I'm just opening the knife and getting some first impressions, but I'm able to get a good grip here. I'm not gonna lie, if I'm gripping it like this, it feels really, really good. It does have a lanyard hole if you're into that, right? I know we got some folks who definitely swear by their lanyard holes, so that's there. But yeah, aside from that, that's pretty much it, right? Some first impressions. Do you want to see a comparison next to its brothers, the Kalashnikovs? There it is, guys. Take a look, right? Can we probably squeeze the pyrite in here? Sure, why not? All right, there is the pyrite for some size comparisons. All right, take a look. All right, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Right, again, automatic knives, right? They are totally different than button locks and flippers and thumb studs and things like that, right? These guys, the action, right, happens the moment you press that button, unless you have a locking mechanism like this guy. But again, definitely check them out on the link below. I do know Blade HQ has sales from time to time, so that is something to consider as well. I will be EDCing this guy for the next few weeks. That way I can give you a comprehensive review, right, in a little while, about a week or two, right, and then let you guys know what I think about this guy. Am I pleased and happy right out of the box? For sure. Yeah, there's even this texture in the handle. It's nice and easy to grip, very grippy as well, even though it's a painted aluminum. And yeah, again, this design right here, this is the reason to get this knife. Again, it looks like one of those planes from World War II. By the way, guys, a lot of people keep asking in the comments, what are these things right here in the top left corner of your videos? Right, those King of Hearts and Ace of Spades. All right, those guys have been hanging out up there over the last couple of videos in the channel. But what are they, or what really are they, right? So just gonna give you guys a quick overview. I'll be making a separate video on these, but just so you know, links will be in the description for these. These are fidgety pocket toys, if you will, or pocket coins. Of course, this channel is all about EDC, right? So this will be a fidgety pocket coin, if you will, something that you get a chance to play around with in your pocket, right, alongside with all the other things that you carry on a daily basis. And this is what they do, right? Listen to this sound. right? If that's not satisfying, I don't know what is. But I can see myself doing this over and over again and never getting tired of that sound. Check out this guy. Let me swap hands. I am right-handed. All right, King of Hearts. All right, this one is like a rose gold. This is like a gold. This one is all in silver, right? Well, you can do it both-handed. How about that, all right? But again, if you haven't checked these out, guys, these are very addicting. I'm glad I have 2 of them. I got this one originally. My wife ended up taking it away from me because she liked it so much. So she ended up keeping the ace, and then I ordered me the King of Hearts here so I could have, you know, a little bit of a variety, right? And yeah, they've been in the top corner there. If you haven't already, check these out. I mean, they are super, super addicting to open and close. They're nice. Another addition to your EDC, right? Something that you will carry on a daily, right? You could fidget with them, right? It can help you with anxiety and things like that. This is what the back looks like on both of them, right? And again, they're held by magnets. Without going too much in detail, those magnets right there are doing all the work. And that's where you get the awesome clicking sound every time you open and close. Again, links for these in the description, you guys, so check them out. Let me know what you think. All right, and yeah, add them to your EDC collection, because I mean, they are totally worth it. They are super awesome. And if you made it this far into the video, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Peace. It's a little bit tricky because there's a lot of tension going on from that. Right, there's a lot of tension going on. This one is again over at